Welcome to another PC case review. Before we begin, I would like to thank Intertech for sending us this awesome PC case for review. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Intertech X608 Infinity Mirror Mid-Tower case. And as its name already suggests, it has an RGB infinity mirror on the front panel. The X608 is the small brother of the X908, which is basically the same case, just in a smaller form factor. The main feature of this case is its infinity mirror tempered glass on the front and its addressable RGB light effects, which are compatible with all motherboard manufacturers that support a 3-pin RGB connector. So, this is a mid-tower case made up of aluminum and tempered glass side and front panel. The front of the case is where you will find the infinity mirror. Now, even when you don't have it turned on, it has a really cool reflective effect, and there are no optical drive bays on this case whatsoever. At the top of the case, you will find a magnetic dust filter, along with your I/O panel with a power and reset button, power and hard drive activity LEDs, one USB 3.0 Type A and one USB 3.0 Type C ports, your HD audio connections, and 2 buttons to control the RGB effects if your motherboard doesn't support addressable RGB lights. The left side panel is made of 4mm thick tempered glass with a slight tint to it and has the ability to open up, easily giving you access to the hardware of your system. Once inside, we can see that it has gone with a very basic, open design and a PSU tunnel, which means the installation should be pretty easy, but we could have trouble hiding all the excessive cables we could have. At the front of the case, we have a fun mounting that supports up to 3 120mm fans. At the top, you can install 2 more 120mm fans. And at the back, we have a pre-installed RGB exhaust fan. This case supports 120mm and 240mm water cooling radiators, which can be placed at either side of the case. I should note here that although it has a front glass panel, which should normally mean a bad intake airflow, in this case, we see that it has nice grills on both sides and an opening at the bottom, in order to allow cold airflow into the case. On the back side, as we move down, we see the hard drive cage. You have 2 3.5-inch where you can also install 2 2.5-inch SSDs instead. In total, you could install up to 5 2.5-inch drives. On the other side of the case, you'll find your power supply tunnel that separates it from the rest of the case and has a slight cut though with an RGB strip attached to it. Moving up, we have our expansion slots, and then, of course, we have our 120mm RGB exhaust fan, which is the only fan included with this case. Taking the opposite side panel off the case, we can see how the rest of the case is designed and set up. Also back here, you'll find the RGB lights controller, which can be controlled either from the I/O shield of the case, or you can plug it into your main board and control it with an app. I really didn't have any issues getting anything installed. The package includes some cable ties, as well as cable organizers, so you can keep the back of the case here nice and neat. Moving back over to the main part of the case, you can see we have a really clean build, which is going to make a great airflow. If you install some intake fans first, that is, and you can't see a lot of cable mess or anything like that from this side. When you power your system on, you will notice the showpiece of this case, the infinity mirror that gives you the illusion that the RGB LEDs go on forever, which will definitely draw some attention. One thing that's also really cool is the RGB strip inside the case and that awesome tempered glass side panel. So, you can pretty much see everything that's going on inside the case. Now, one thing I noticed about the RGB strip is that the last LED lights up differently from the rest, like it should be on the beginning of the strip and not at the end. That's definitely something Intertech should look and fix. Also, the RGB fan that's included with the case is not as bright as the LED strip and the front infinity mirror. In my opinion, a brighter fan would make it look much better and match the rest of the RGB lighting. Now to sum up, Intertech has done a great job with this case, offering really nice looks, a pretty good airflow potential for cooling your hardware, and supports also water cooling solutions. The quality of this case is also really good, as you can see, so you can't go wrong choosing the specific case for your build. More details on this case you will find following the link in the description. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hardware tests and reviews. Catch you guys later.